Let me walk you through a real scrape of API data from auth0.com, done quickly with Minexa.ai, in just a few clicks or an API call. I am going straight to the page with the results already showing. From here, just click the extension icon, nothing else needed. The extension is open, hit the violet button. Minexa runs a full automatic page analysis. The scan is complete, results block identified, nothing missed. List only, or should Minexa follow each result to its detail page? Stick with continue, unless a button, filter, or input needs handling before results appear. That highlighted area is your data. Click Create Scraper and Minexa finds every field and is ready to extract at scale. All data fields are here. Select what you need, and they stay accurate across every run. You can extract API names, descriptions, developer details, and other useful blocks consistently. For those building data pipelines, click API Request and start scraping any similar page on this site straight away. Click Complete Configuration. The setup is confirmed and saved. Pagination locked in automatically. Every run collects the full dataset. One click away from a live scraping job. Optionally set a schedule or Google Sheets connection first. Just hit run and the scraper gets to work. Same page, same result every single time, making this reliable enough to use inside any automated pipeline or scheduled job that depends on consistent, predictable, structured output. You'll see fields like API titles, developer info, and key descriptions extracted cleanly and ready for your use. Click Export and save everything to your computer as an Excel file or JSON. No technical background needed to get data from any website, and for developers, no pre-built catalog, no selector writing, no LLM call per page.